People laughed around him, yet somehow, Ayaan still felt invisible. He stood quietly near the wall. Maybe tonight, he would finally speak. He wanted to join them. He had stories too. He really did. But fear spoke first. What if my English sounds strange? A group nearby discussed travel. Ayaan knew this topic. He opened his mouth, then someone interrupted again. After a while, he quietly stopped trying. His phone felt safer. Talking to people didn't. He quietly left the party. Nobody even noticed. That night he wondered, is my English the problem? He started avoiding conversations before they even started. Inside elevators, he hoped nobody would speak. Online, everyone looked confident except him. He typed a message, then deleted it again. Others made friends easily. Ayaan only watched quietly. Then, one afternoon, someone talked to him first. Immediately, his heart started racing again. This time, though, he forced himself to answer. Instead of ignoring him, she smiled warmly. For the first time in months, he didn't feel invisible. Walking home that night, the city felt different. He kept asking himself, maybe English isn't the problem. The next morning, he decided to speak more. The first conversation failed. It felt awkward, but something changed. This time, he stayed. He made a simple rule: speak every single day. Day 1 felt uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. By day 5, speaking felt easier. 2 weeks later, people remembered his face. Then Ayaan realized something. People weren't ignoring him. One day, someone invited him again. Immediately, the old fear returned. He almost canceled. But still, he went. At first, he barely spoke. Then someone asked, "So where are you from?" He answered slowly. But honestly, something strange happened. People actually listened. Then suddenly, everyone started laughing together. For the first time, Ayaan felt included. And finally, he understood the truth. Walking home that night, he kept replaying everything. He looked at old photos. He barely recognized himself. Suddenly, his phone vibrated. A message appeared. "We should do this again." He smiled quietly, for absolutely no reason. He didn't become fluent overnight. Nothing magical happened. He simply stopped hiding. That changed everything. Slowly, people started noticing him, and maybe sometimes you feel invisible too. So speak, even if your voice shakes.